I'm on a struggle bus and I'm ready to get off. Like, hey babes, it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I feel like I'm a little bit late to the game, but the fall fashion content has finally commenced. So first up on the list, we have some fall transitional outfits, or just kind of like some fall outfit inspo using Pinterest. If you're excited for today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to see more fall fashion content, be sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that little notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. If you aren't on Pinterest, or if you don't use Pinterest as a tool for anything, like, where have you been living, under a rock? You can use Pinterest for cooking recipes, drink recipes, outfit inspo, home decor inspo. Like, literally you can use Pinterest for just about any and everything when you're looking for inspiration or reference photos, when you're trying to create something, recreate something, whatever it may be. I myself definitely use Pinterest just to serve as outfit inspiration sometimes when I'm drawing a blank, when I can't really figure out what to wear, how to style something. And so for this first look, I kind of took like two outfits and kind of mashed them together so it could be something that I actually could recreate and would feel comfortable wearing. So in this photo, I like the crop blazer, I like the white top underneath, I like the jeans, I did like the heels. But I wanted something a little bit more casual. And then I also saw this photo, which again, I like the crop blazer, but I also like the black top underneath. But I wasn't feeling the light pants too much, but I did like the sneakers. So I just kind of combined them together, and this is what I came up with. Alright, so I know that crop blazers have like been on trend. I don't really have a lot. I would like to get more, but I did have this one that I got from Shein. So it's like this plaid, I guess, kind of style. I like the jeans as opposed to the light colored pants. So then I had these jeans that were very similar. These are the jeans that I got from Walmart. And then I couldn't decide if I wanted to do a white top or a black top under the blazer. I felt like with the light wash denim, a white top would have looked better. But then I also felt like with the colors and the blazer, a black top would look better. So I decided to go for black. So I just have this little ribbed like stretchy crop top. I mean, you can find these anywhere. Like, they have these everywhere, so these shouldn't be hard to find. It's just a plain crop top, racer back. So I didn't want to do heels. Like I said, I wanted it to be a little bit more casual, so I decided to go with the sneakers. And it looks like she has on just white Air Force Ones, just like the classic Air Force Ones, which I don't have all white, but I do have these are like the Pixel something or another. They have the snake skin, which I thought was nice just to kind of pair up with the colors in the blazer. So yeah, I paired it with these. And for both looks, lucky for me, they had a black purse. So this is like the little black shoulder bag that I decided to wear with it, and I got this from the thrift store. Alright, so yeah, and here is how this look turned out. And I really like how it turned out. Super cute. These jeans fit me really, really good. Like I said, this was a nice way to wear this cropped blazer because I really haven't worn it at all since I bought it. So yeah. Alright, so for this next look, I thought that this was like a super simple look anybody can recreate because it's an easy transitional look from summer to fall. You can wear this like on those warmer fall days, kind of like how it is right now. I have this white button up that's oversized. This is again from Walmart. I wear this all the time. I really have gotten a lot of wear out of this shirt, and it was only like $15. These are really easy to find. The easiest thing you can do is just like get one from the men's section. That way it'll already be like super oversized the way that you want it to fit. Or you can get one from the thrift store, and I mentioned that in one of my thrifting hauls. I'll make sure that I link that in the card somewhere on the screen. They have plenty of options, easy to find, and you can find one for like $4 or $5 or something, even at the thrift stores. So these are really, really easy to come by, and I feel like they're a wardrobe essential, which I will be talking about in another video. But yeah, so I have my oversized white button down shirt, and then I have these denim shorts, or denim cutoff shorts rather. I was struggling in the shorts department. I realized that this past summer I didn't wear a lot of like denim shorts because I don't have a lot of denim shorts. I had a few pairs, but they were all too big, so I had to get rid of them. So now I'm literally down to like this pair and another pair, but neither pair that I have were an exact match in terms of like the wash and the distressing like the ones that Hailey Bieber has on. but any distressed or denim cutoff shorts will do. So I have these. These are a pair of Levi's. They are actually like, they were jeans that I thrifted and I cut them and made them into shorts. So yeah, literally any denim shorts will do. For shoes, Haley has on just the, again, classic all white Air Force Ones, which obviously I need a pair because, but I don't have the all white, but I do have these white and yellow ones, so I paired them with these, and then just like the little socks that she has on. Mine are just plain white, but still the same vibe. For a bag, I didn't have a black like shoulder bag, which I honestly, now that I think about it, another department that I'm struggling in is my purses. Like, it's bad. I'm on a struggle bus and I'm ready to get off. Like, next stop, please. This bag is the bag that I got from Shein. I may wear it as like a crossbody, but I normally don't carry it as a shoulder bag. But this was the closest thing to a black shoulder bag that I had, but I feel like it still gets the job done. It still gives the same look. I also didn't have any black sunglasses that were this shape. These look like they may be Ray-Bans or maybe Oliver Peoples. I'm not really sure, but I do feel like these brown ones that I put on with it still kind of give the same overall like feel and vibe. So that's why I just threw them on with this look also. Yeah, this is how this look turned out, and I really like it. It's super easy, super chill, super relaxed, but it's really like something that I would wear. I would throw this on to like run errands, go out for lunch. Just a nice, chill, like effortless outfit that I would wear for you know, like a look transitioning into fall. So for this next outfit, it's just, again, another like simple look that I feel like everybody can achieve if you have these. Doesn't have to be the exact items, but if you have like these items in your wardrobe, then you can definitely recreate this look. So I did not have this like lilac purple color blazer. I do have a yellow blazer. I really like the shade of this because it's not super bright. It's kind of like a canary yellow or like a banana, you know what I mean? This I got from the thrift store, and then she's just wearing it with a white tank top and shorts. So I'm just wearing those same Levi's like denim cutoff shorts that I wore with the other look, and I couldn't really tell if she was wearing like a cropped t-shirt or a tank top. So I don't have a cropped t-shirt, but I do have a tank top. So this is basically like what I was wearing literally all summer. This makes a great layering piece and it's super inexpensive. It's literally just a children's like ribbed undershirt, and I just cut it to crop it. Like, the pack probably cost me maybe $13 or something. I think you get like 8. They're perfect for throwing under like a blazer or a jacket. And then she's wearing white stripy sandals, which I don't have white stripy sandals, but I have these pink stripy sandals from Zara, and I think that they were still cute and they go, again, to create the feel and the vibe of the outfit. But I really like how it turned out. I love that it's like the color blocking. Super cute. If you don't have the same exact items, it's fine. If you just have something that will give you the same like idea, the same overall feel, the same kind of vibe, you can definitely wear those. Alright, and then for a purse, she's just wearing a tan. It looks like it's a Prada nylon re-edition, which I don't have in that color, but I do have a little tan bag, which is this one here. It's the Brandon Blackwood and Systemic Racism tote. So yeah, here's the final look. This is how it turned out. I think it's really cute. I probably wouldn't even have worn this way, but that's the idea of this whole like Pinterest thing, using Pinterest to recreate outfits or using Pinterest for outfit inspiration, because sometimes you may try something that you probably wouldn't ordinarily try. Next up, I have another look from Hailey Bieber. I feel like we have the same style vibe, like cool girl, effortless, chic, sexy, kind of all wrapped in one. So, and I love her stylist and her stylist work. So yeah, again, I know it's another blazer look. Listen, this was really hard for me. Like, blazers have me in a chokehold, especially during the fall. In the summertime, I get so sad because I can't wear blazers. Like, from fall to spring, baby, I am in a blazer. A blazer is my comfort zone. A blazer is my security blanket. So like, the love that I have for blazers, I just literally, I love how they make me look. I love what they do to an outfit. So like, all the looks that I was gravitating towards had blazers in them, and I'm like, Trenae, you can't pick all the looks that have blazers. Like, everybody isn't going to want to wear a blazer. Like, a blazer isn't everybody's vibe. So it was really hard for me to find outfits that did not include a blazer. I tried really hard, but I digress. So she has on a black blazer, but I love the shape of this blazer. I don't have anything like it, and I tried my best. I still have this oversized blazer. It's double breasted. Hers is way better, obviously. Black blazer, check. Then I have these, like, I don't even know what this color is, but I really like it. It's like tan trousers. They have a cuff in them. I really like the fit of these. Again, they're thrifted. And trousers are like really the thing for fall. Us coming out of like lockdown and being in like sweats and all that kind of stuff in the house, I think trousers are a nice transitional piece. As opposed to wearing jeans, trousers is the vibe. It helps you to still look put together, but trousers are a little bit more comfortable than jeans, because jeans are a little bit more restricting. Like trousers are like flowy, they're loose fitting. So yeah, for a top, it looks like she's just wearing like a cropped tank top. So again, I'm just wearing that same like cropped ribbed tank top that I was telling you guys about before. For shoes, it looks like she's wearing black like 990s by New Balance. That's what it looks like, not for certain. Yeah, I don't have those. I don't even have anything remotely close to that, but I do have my black Vans, which again I feel like still gives the same vibe. So I paired that look with these. For purse, she's obviously carrying the Bottega clutch. I don't have one of those, so I have this little envelope clutch from the thrift store, and I just stuffed a whole bunch of stuff in there so it kind of looks like more like big and fluffy, like how the Bottega clutch does. She has a mask on, but I didn't feel like it was necessary. I could have put it on though. This is how the outfit turned out. I really again would not probably style this myself, but it's super cute. Very like, this is like casual, but you still look like put it, because you have on a blazer and trousers, so you look dressed up, but you're really not, because you also have on like a Vans and a rib tank top. So this would be good for not only going to like maybe lunch or a casual dinner, but you could also wear it to like literally run errands. Like you could go to the grocery store in this because it's super casual, but it's still put together. All right, so for this look, I love the idea of like bare legs and a knee boot. So this oversized like shirt dress, all for that. So I didn't have an exact like gray shirt like this, but I do have this oversized denim shirt by Dickies that I got from Walmart. And this shirt, if you're looking to get it, they always have this shirt. This isn't a seasonal item. They always have it in like the work section. In the men's section, they have like a lot of stuff that's by Dickies for like work, if you work in like construction or something like that, I'm assuming. So yeah, they always have this. And this I got in a size 3XL. Yeah, so I just wore this as a dress. And then for shoes, Kylie is wearing like these black square toe, like chunky heel knee boots, which are super cute. But I didn't want to wear a heel with this. Like I wanted it to be more casual. By all means, you can wear a heel if you have a boot like this. I paired the shirt with these. These are my boots from Public Desire. They're the dupes for the Prada Monolith boots, but I just took the pockets off. I don't really wear them with the pockets on them that much these days. And then for a purse, Kylie is wearing this white or cream kind of color Dior saddlebag. This was the only cream bag that I had, which is from Target. This is my furry one, but I mean it's fall now, so I think that it's seasonally appropriate for me to bring this bag out. And I love this bag. Like, if you know, you know. Love this bag. Can't carry it that much because I don't want it to get dirty or shed or whatever, but love this bag. And again, I would not have thought to choose this purse to go with the look, but it's super cute and I really like how it turned out. Okay babe, so that wraps up my video for my recreation of Pinterest looks for fall. I hope that you enjoyed these looks. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button for me guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There will definitely be more fall content, more fall fashion content on the way. So be on the lookout for that. Hit the notification bell so you can make sure you don't miss out on any of those upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments if you think that this was a good idea, and maybe you will even try to go on Pinterest to help you with some outfit inspiration. And until next time, babes.